how do I switch to a saltwater pool? My water chemistry is okay. Do I just throw in the bags of salt that it recommends, let it dissolve, and turn on my salt generator?
Pretty much. I mean, yeah, I mean, if your salt system's all hooked up, you just add the recommended salt. The thing with salt, though, is so the only way to really bring your salt level down is to dilute it, which either means draining and refilling or just filling more and more. So always start on the low end of what's recommended. Say, based on your pool size and the ideal salt level that you're trying to get to, say it's 14 bags of salt. I'd probably start with 10 or 11, let it run for 24 hours, and then check it the next day, see where your level's at. If you're still low, add it kind of one bag at a time. If you got a much larger pool and you're looking at adding 20 plus bags, then it's a little different, where maybe you start off with 14 or 16 and then you add 2 more the next day if it's still low. Just keep in mind that if you put too much in, the only way to bring it down is to dilute it or to pump and dump, pump the system out and to dump some of the water and then refill it. But if everything's all hooked up as far as, your salt cell and, that's all taken care of and system's all good to go, then yeah, it's just a matter of adding salt. Let it run for 24 hours before you turn your salt system on, just to give it a chance to fully dilute, and then run it from there.